Back at Horns Hill, a beautiful day in Ohio, and back in the saddle. This is my first ride back. 7 weeks ago, I got a new bionic hip, titanium, ceramic, plastic, but Horns Hill, Greenhorn Trail, rail 9.7, assembled in the United States. This is my e-bike. It doesn't feel like an e-bike. It feels like an acoustic bike. And I get to ride a acoustic bike today also, but first ride back after surgery. 7 weeks ago, they chopped the top of my femur off and put a new hip in, and it is awesome to be riding and pedaling without pain, but I'm super weak in the quads and glutes, and so I'll be going even slower than I normally go. Plus, I'm not supposed to have any big inputs yet, so just pedaling and having fun, enjoying the Rail 7. It's nice carbon frame, the 29s just roll so good, and even this base Yari fork and Select Plus shock, man, they are absorbing, and this bike feels light. I think it's about 49 or 50 pounds. It's an XL. I'm 6'2", so I like the little bigger bike. But just happy to be riding, and especially Horns Hill. Such a fun place to go. Oh man, does it ever feel good. I like my Trek rail. Ooh, we're getting my update on my GPS there. So, Trek rail, 9.7. Nice 35 mil forks. They're thin, a little flexy for the fast guys, but for me it feels light. Gives it that light bike feel. I love how small the Bosch motor is. So much power. And it just has such a good feel. Turbo, Eco, Tour, E-mountain bike. You got plenty of things to choose from, and it works. Project One paint, it just changes color. Kind of looks purpley, blue, depending on what angle you're looking at it. But man, do I dig this bike. Thanks to my buddy Matt at the Trek Factory Store on Sawmill in Dublin. Anyhow, 2 big thumbs up. Happy to be back on the bike again. More videos soon.